Equivalent expressions and like terms mini lesson. So this is going to be about the distributive property and combining like terms. The distributive property, when a number or a variable is multiplied times an expression in parentheses. The number outside must be multiplied times every term inside. So the first problem that you see here is the distributive property over addition. So I'm going to draw a rainbow to each term. 5 times 2x, 5 times 6. So 5 times 2 is 10. So 5 times 2x is 10x. Plus 5 times 6 is 30. So when I distribute or give out this 5, this factor, times each of the terms in the parentheses, I'm left with 10x plus 30. Now, I cannot put that together because this is 10x's and this is just a plain old 30. That's done. So this is the answer to this problem. All right, here, same thing, but now this is the distributive property over subtraction. 3 times x is 3x minus 3 times 8 is 24. 3x minus 24. Now, we can go backward. So if I had, please copy this on your worksheet because this isn't on your worksheet. Let's say I had 12 apples and 16 oranges that I was going to be putting into a fruit basket. I want to make equal baskets, and I want to know how many baskets I can make. So I'm going to be looking for the greatest common factor. This is my factor outside. This is my factor outside. So I'm going to draw an L around both these terms and ask myself what number divides into 12 and 16. I'm going to go with 2. That gives me 6 apples and 8 oranges. So if I made 2 baskets, I could put 6 apples and 8 oranges in each one. But I want to make the greatest number of baskets that I can, so I continue, and 6 and 8 have 2 as a common factor. So I'm left with 3 apples and 4 oranges. These don't have anything in common except for 1. So if you had to do like undistribute, this would be factors we multiply. So 2 times 2, which is 4, times 3a plus 4o. So if we had to go backwards and undistribute, that would be what we would do. All right, so to combine like terms, add or subtract coefficients with the same variable and the same power. So this is the way I need to think about this. I'm going to change these so I can say it easier. So if I had 5 cats and then had 8 more cats and then 4 of the cats left, how many cats would I have? Well, I've got 5 plus 3, which is 8 cats, minus 4 cats is 4 cats. I can put those together because it's all cats. Whereas here, I've got 4 cats, 3 dogs, 2 cats, 8 dogs. These can't go together. The only things that can go together are the cats and the dogs and the dogs. So they have an example over here. So if one family orders 2 burgers, 1 fry, and 1 drink, and then another family orders 3 burgers, 2 fries, and 2 drinks, in all, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 burgers, plus 1, 2, 3 fries, plus 1, 2, 3 drinks. Okay, because we combine the things that are like one another. So let's look here. If I'm looking here, I've got 4x minus 2x. So if I had 4 x's and then I take 2 of those x's away, I'm going to be left with 2 x's plus 3 y's plus 8 more y's. So 3y plus 8y, of course, would be 11y. Here, I have to do my grouping symbols first. So I distribute my factor of 3 to both terms in the parentheses. 3 times 4 is 12, so 3 times 4a is 12a. Remember that there is a 1 right here that is hiding. So 3 times 1 is 3, so 3 times 1b is 3b. Minus 5a minus b. So if I have 12 apples and then I get rid of 5 apples, and I have 3 bananas and I get rid of 1 banana, what am I left with? 12 take away 5 is 7 apples, plus 3 take away 1 is 2 bananas. So that would be how you would simplify that.